No, we didn't think it was going to be that bad. We had no idea it was going to be that bad. We got out. I tried to get everybody out that night. I told them, you know, they're coming back for us. We have to be patient. Where did he go? Did he leave time? Okay. This is home. I made this home in October. Our lights went out on a Friday because it had rained every day, like that Thursday, all that rain and stuff. Our lights went out on a Friday. I know I had called the maintenance guy and told him that rain was blowing into one of the residents' window, and he said that he couldn't get out, you know. So I told her she would have to put towels down. So we all did what we had to do. When the lights went out, we wasn't expecting it. Some of us, I didn't have no candles, lights, flashlights, or anything. We was just stuck. We went to bed that night, that Friday night. I woke up walking in water the next morning. Behind this door here is, I have my things boxed up, and I live out the suitcase. My refrigerator, microwave, my little coffee pot, and everything. I have my paper plates and cups and stuff up under here. Basically, this is it. You know, my television, bed, my little table over there, and my chair, you know. It is really exciting. I'm feeling somewhat anxious to get in here. But it's really exciting to see people coming together and making everything possible for us.